assuming it's the preacher's glasses.
You didn't see that?
What happened?
That door just opened.
The front door?
And then shut slowly.
Oh my god.
What the fuck that be?
Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. Today, whoa, what? Whoa, bloopers,
Yeah,
bloopers.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna start over. Welcome back to the video, guys. This one's especially kind of cool because it's an abandoned church. Now, I'm not gonna give you the history because I honestly have no information on it and we can't find anything. Wait, what? What did I say? I lost whole. It's okay. I can edit this shit. Okay. Anyway. I tried looking up information on this place and you can't really find anything. I do have the name of the place that you guys will see in the footage here shortly because it's on a billboard outside of here going to a different building. But as far as information goes, there really isn't anything. Is that your flashlight? But it is actually pretty sad that this place is like this, and it's especially sad because it's a church, you know. That is the creepiest thing in the world. That tree branch is just scraping against the window. Yeah, I hope the footage is good for you guys. I'm filming on my GoPro, but that's enough talking. So let's get into the video now. Here, got this little bathroom area. And you literally just go.
Still here. I didn't notice that last time.
Yeah. This place is falling down pretty bad. This place is crazy though. It's so crazy when stuff is just left like this. It's kind of just like...
Hey, it's the New Testament.
Kind of just like wonder what happens, you know what I mean?
It's bright.
It's like they left everything in here. Office areas. Or office area, I should say, for the preacher. There's handwritten notes in here. Microphone. Yeah. Let's get paper. Ooh. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I can't really read cursive that well. They never taught me that stuff, but there's a date. It says 2007. If anybody can read this, let me know down in the comments below. Here's a folder. Certification of completion. It's really molded in here. Some more paperwork in there. I just don't want to. There's so much insulation that it fell. These are. I'm assuming it's the preacher's glasses. His cup. He used to sit in these chairs probably and just fill out paperwork for all the people that would attend his sermons and stuff.
You didn't see that?
What happened?
That door just opened
The front door?
and then shut slowly.
Is it?
As if somebody walked in, but you know.
They're attending the sermons, man.
I was just giving the sermon.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I missed the
And
whole
then I was
thing.
giving the sermon and then it happened.
All right, man. I'm gonna go down here in the stands. You give a nice sermon.
All right. Today, guys, we're preaching about bluegrass check advance. Franklin 586-8233.
Oh my god. Oh, these seats are so gross. You can tell these benches are old. They don't even make like inlays like this in wood anymore. It's all like this modern type of style, you know what I mean? Oh my god.
I told you I gave the sermon and it happened. You believe me?
That's crazy.
That's the second time.
Here's this room right here. Oh, this ground is soaked. Yeah. Back there is where they would, there's a bird over here.
Yeah, no, we were.
Ooh, that's so nasty. Guys, look at the ground. It's like, ugh. It's crazy though. Oh my god. It's super crazy that people would sit here and play music for sermons that would go on up here on stage, and you know, have the pastor of course. People would sit here in the back, like maybe the choir, and then back here you literally have your entire audience like in this church, and it's crazy that everything is just kind of left and just abandoned the way it is. It's kind of sad, to be honest.
He's dying.
Raven, that's a different one.
Yeah, but he's dying.
Fuck that beat. I'm sorry.
He's dying. He needs to go outside. Don't fly. Don't do it. Don't.
Guys, my batteries are dying in my light.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Weren't they fully charged?
Look, it keeps cutting off. My light keeps cutting off.
Weren't they fully charged?
Yeah, they're brand new batteries. Hey, have you checked back here? This is where they would baptize people.
Oh, I know that's where they were baptizing, but we weren't back there.
Yeah, this is where they would baptize people. Dude, my light, it just keeps cutting off, man.
His light was dying. It was fully charged, ready to back. Yeah.
My light won't stop dying. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to keep the light on so you guys can see in the video a lot better, but it keeps dying on me. Here's where they would baptize people in the church. And I'm assuming the family would be up here whenever they're being baptized, and the pastor would be giving his sermons and stuff. This is really crazy. I wish I kind of knew what this place looked like.
The doors are heavy, so I don't know how they keep opening.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
the windows are stronger to pull those big ass doors open.
It's kind of crazy if you try to imagine what it looked like before. This was where the microphone would go. That's in the pastor's desk. This stuff's crazy though. Like they have like Bible studies in here.
Just around the corner to the left.
Just where they would get baptized.
Adult KGV.
Oh, look at that lamp.
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay, cool. I'm not picking that shit up.
Where's Nothing down here. I would look in this desk over here, like on this side, but there's insulation.
You only see that pair of glasses.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
What if that's from the preacher?
That's what I'm saying, man. Because like he could be drinking his drink here. That could be from the preacher.
From the preacher.
Because like he could have set his glasses down right here for like the last time.
He's a history buff too.
Oh, pictures of the world.
Mm-hmm.
Are you opening? I think that goes outside.
Yeah, I'm hearing things.
Alright, you want to go to the other side of the building? Over there?
Yeah.
We gotta go outside though for it. Look, it looks like there's lights on in here. Look through the windows.
Bruh.
It's crazy. New Mount Lebanon Baptist Church. This is where I believe they used to hold their dinners for like all their sermons. Like afterwards, they would have like dinners and stuff.
So, what would that be called? Like the regular room?
Yeah, technically. So I'm thinking this may have been for either a stove or like kind of a kitchen area.
There's a little pipe. Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, because they have.
This is definitely sink area.
Yeah, they have like the countertops here. This could be like where they would cook and bring food, and people would just come and eat.
Yeah, when they went to leftovers in the box. Oh, none of them crushed.
Those are good bulbs. Oh, dude, is that aluminum foil for like food?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like forks and stuff in here too. So,
Oh, there's a fork up top.
you find any information on the church?
No, I looked at the Reverend though.
What was our reverend's name?
J.H. Henry.
Oh shit! Hey, it's time to. What is that?
I'm out.
Oh, that's a baby raccoon. Yeah, come on, we gotta go. The mama raccoon's gonna get you. Come on.
How fast I left?
Alright, what's up guys? If you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you so much. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like and a subscribe. If you have any suggestions in the comments down below, or if you guys know of any places in Tennessee that are cool to explore. If you enjoyed the video guys, leave a like and subscribe, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of the upcoming video. It's super cool, and you guys are going to really like the things that we find in this home. But without further ado, here's a sneak peek, and until next video guys,